channel. This is Nina, and it's been a while. It's been 6 months since I uploaded my last video. That was about the Hello Kitty one. That was in October. So this is my first uploaded video in the year 2024, and I left balloon for a while because I tried university. I went back to studies, but eventually I have to leave because of priorities. So I went back to balloons, and here we go. This is my first uploaded video in the year 2024, and right now we are going to do what I'm going to show you how I did the balloon wall. And for me, this is my own opinion, this is the easiest way how to do it. Since I left balloon activities for a while, and now that I get back to it, I just decided to put up a video today, and these are the random balloons that I have in stock. So if you don't like the color combination, I'm really sorry. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
In this tutorial, I am going to use a 2-core cluster. If you're not familiar how I make my clusters, I will link the tutorial in the description area. In there, I share how I make 1, 2, and 3-core clusters. 2-core clusters are composed of 2 mini clusters of 6 balloons, and these mini clusters are tied together by their necks. As you can see now, I have my first mini cluster and then the second one. Each mini cluster has 6 balloons, and now I am going to tie them using their necks. I chose this type of cluster because they are longer. The colors that I used are fuchsia pink, baby pink, mint green, lavender, and latte, all from Gemar. I asked my daughter to hold the camera for me so I can show you how I fixed the bottom balloon, but unfortunately she was filming my face, not the balloons, and I failed to check after. What I just did was I just twist a pair of balloons, and I also did that in this second mini garland, as you can see now, and I pushed that a little bit and be sure that the bottom balloon is touching the floor. Then I did the same thing to the balloons next to the bottom cluster. Each cluster has 2 cores, so I have to twist both to the stand. As you can see, I twist the pink color balloons twice. The last cluster on the top I put horizontally, and twist pair of balloons as well. Now we are going to make balloon columns. I will join 3 clusters by their necks, and I'm going to tie the end of this balloon column to the top part, the one that is placed horizontally. Now I am tying the end of the balloon column to the top part of the balloon wall. Now to secure the balloon column, I tie them with 260s. I tie it like this. For me, this technique is easier than the fishing line and looping the 260s on random balloons. This is easier. It is just like a big rubber bands and that holds the two columns together. And they work pretty well. Then you just have to repeat the same thing till you reach the other end of the stand. And always make sure that the bottom balloons are touching the floor. For the filler balloon, I use quad of 5-inch balloons. What is a quad? Quad is just 4 balloons tied together, twisted together. And then I use rubber bands to easily fix them on the balloon wall. Like this. And I always put filler balloons on top of the same color balloons because it looks more organized. All in all, I used 178 balloons. 11 are 19 inches, 103 balloons are 10 inches, and 64 are 5-inch balloons. And the wall size is 1.6 by 1.6 meters. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!